According to historical records, in 1042, Master Adisha was invited by Gurge Kingdom to preach. Xuanwu as a ceremonial dance was performed at the ceremony to welcome Master Adisha. This picture is clearly recorded in the mirror of Red Temple, White Temple, held in Gurge Dynasty ruins. Thus, it can be said that the origin of Xuanwu was at least 3,000 years old, and it can be also inferred that Xuanwu originated in Dada County, early era. Gurge Xuanwu has the theory of setting Xuanwu. Xuanwu as a ceremonial dance is performed by species, extolling in species customs at a specific time and place. As the setting Xuanwu belongs to plasmas and dance, is not allowed to perform in folk. Sanskrit dance. This was once the birthplace of Gurge civilization. The Xuan in each region of Ali has unique music and lyrics. The country is about the formation of the world, praising the great mountains and lakes, etc. Nowadays, the form of Gurge Xuanwu is very similar to the scenes depicted in the murals of Gurge Palace ruins. On the mural, 10 Xuanwu dancing women in the ground welcome ceremony from wearing braid cloaks, holding hands and crossing arms in front of them and dancing on the ground.